Ok, ici, nous allons continuer. Nous avons quelques règles ici, à savoir, now we have C, that is the third rule. Quand le complément est introduit par une autre préposition, then we use this object pronoun. Of course, these are object pronouns in French. Object pronoun. And they only functions as an object. The subject pronouns we have are the je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. When they become an object, we use moi, toi, lui, elle. This is me, you, him, or her. Nous, vous, eux, elle. This is us, you, them, and elle with them. Now, the Frenchman now says, the rule says rather, when the noun we are trying to replace is preceded by any other preposition apart from are, any other preposition apart from preposition are, then we do not use the elements of COE, that's motor, lui, leur, and so on and so forth. We rather use the object pronoun. Now, all these things are still in line with replacing a name of person. Because if you notice, the first one we said, pour répondre, okay, le complément indirect est introduit par préposition a, mostly. And this preposition a must be placed before a name of person. So these first four rules are actually telling us about name of persons, how to replace name of persons. So the first one says, if the name of person is preceded by preposition a, then we use elements of COI to replace our noun. That's pronoun we use. For example, Mark. Je parle à Mark. Because Mark is the name of a person and it's preceded by preposition a. We replace it with lui. And we bring the lui here, so it becomes the parle. So now it's not saying, another rule is not saying that, but if the noun we are replacing is not preceded by preposition a, for example, let me use this parle again. This one means I'm talking to Mark, right? So I'm not saying you parle to Mark. This one means I'm talking about Mark. Now, Mark here was not preceded by preposition a. In that essence, we cannot use we. In that case. It will be very, very wrong. Because the rule says we can only use we or elements of COI if the noun is preceded by preposition a. So we have preposition do here. And the rule says that when we have nouns preceded by other prepositions, quand le complément est introduit par une autre préposition, by another preposition, then we use moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, and elle. So this one will now become, je parle de lui. Je parle de lui, because he has to retain the position as an object. If this was preposition a, we would place it with lui, but the lui would rather be placed here. But because it's preposition do, the man has to retain his position and has to be replaced with object pronoun. So that is what the rule says. Now, it does not matter how this sounds to you. As long as it follows the rule, then it's correct. C'est très correct. Now look what we have. Ils ont besoin de la directrice. Ils ont besoin de lui. Because he has to retain his object position. Elle parle avec le professeur. They're talking with the professor. Non, elle ne parle pas avec lui. The lui here too has to replace his position. Now, if this professor was plural, for example, you're saying il parle avec le professeur as a plural. So it becomes il parle avec eux. Il parle avec eux. Do not forget, n'oubliez pas, s'il vous plaît. So that is the rule to this. And another one here, quand le complément est précédé par un mot de quantité ou d'un article indéfini. An article indéfini. Now, here we are saying that if the complement, that is the noun we are replacing, is preceded by a word of quantity, mot de quantité, 1, 2, 3, beaucoup, trop, assez, and so on and so forth, or an article indéfini, then we use on to replace them. Now look at this. As-tu besoin d'un artiste? Do you need an artist? This is mot de quantité, and automatically it is also an indefinite article. As-tu besoin d'un artiste? Say oui, j'en ai besoin. J'en ai besoin. Of course, we know this rule of on, so it is also applicable here. Yes, I need one. The negation of which je n'en ai pas besoin. Je n'en ai pas besoin. I do not need anyone. I do not need one. Je n'en ai pas besoin. Do not forget, the first four rules are talking about pour répondre nom de personne. Répondre nom de personne. That is what the first few rules are talking about. I can put it there. They're talking about pour reprendre nom de personne. So that's what they're talking about. That's what they're talking about. So now let's proceed further